What's up everybody and welcome to nuppfx. I know my shop is a straight up mess right now. I'm going to be cleaning it soon, but today I'm going to be showing you how I use a vinyl cutter and a piece of acrylic to make myself a shop sign. So let's just jump right in. I'm interrupting real quick because I am not going to show how I cut the vinyl on the Cricut. I've done a video about laying vinyl down before. It's the exact same process, and I will have that video linked down in the description, as well as it will be on one of these suggested videos at the end of the video. So let's get right back to it. Once again, thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. It is hot and humid out today, so I'm going to head back inside. I hope you liked this one. I hope it helped you out if you want to make an easy way of creating a shop sign or some other kind of sign that's able to withstand the elements outside. I highly suggest this method. And as always, there is links down in the description below that help support the channel. I'm still on the works on getting FX University back up for Season 2, as well as creating a Patreon page. If you guys are interested, just keep on looking at this stuff. Follow me on my Instagram page. That always helps out. And also, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you on the next one.